Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little makeup tutorial using this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I actually did a look using this and I didn't film the look, but it was in one of my past videos and I was asked to do this, so here we are. I guess let's get started then. I am going to be doing my foundation, my base, my brows. I do have a little bit of makeup on right now. I know I'm such a cheater. But I have some mascara on and I have a little bit of brow product, like barely anything, but that's pretty much it. So, oh, and a little bit of highlight. You see that? Yeah. But I'm just going to be doing my foundation and everything over top of that because it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't. I'm actually going to film that part because I feel like I haven't really filmed me doing my foundation in like a fat minute, so I'm going to be doing that. Okay, so first I'm going to be using this NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer. It's like unbelievably hard to get the last of this stuff out. My voice, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening with my voice. I feel like it's like going away or something, but I sound really weird. Okay, so next I'm going to be using this Revolution foundation in F6. Okay, now I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral. And now I'm going to be putting this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a foundation stick, but I think this is actually the contour stick, I think. Yeah. It's stick foundation, contour. So this isn't like foundation, but I'm sure it's the same consistency. But this is in Fawn. I'm just going to contour my face. I look fucking ugly. Alright, now I'm going to be doing brows. I'm going to be using this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in shade 3. I'm also going to be using this Milk Brow Gel in Dutch over top of that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did this brow and I also put on some Tarte blush in Party. And I like to put my blush on kind of like a little above my contour, but kind of also blend it into my contour. I feel like it looks so much more natural instead of just having it on the apples of your cheeks. I feel like it makes you look more sunburnt than anything, and I, for one, am not a fan of looking like I'm sunburned. I don't know about you. It's just not really my thing. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna start on my eyes, thank God. This palette is so cute. I think it's like $25 for one of these, and I do want to get like all of them because I think they're so gorgeous. But this one is definitely my favorite, and I don't exactly know how, like what colors I used to create that look. And by the way, the look that I'm talking about is in my 2018 favorites video. So I'm gonna try to recreate it. Pretty sure I know what colors I use, but it might not be exact. Okay, first I'm just gonna use this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and put that in my crease. What I like to do is apply it deep in my crease. I wipe off the brush and then I just blend the outer edges just to make it look nice and soft and well blended. I feel like if I try to go in with the shade and then blend without wiping off the color, it's going to be too messy. It might patch in certain places on my eyelid, and I just find that this is a lot easier to blend when I wipe off the brush. Blend, wipe off the brush, blend. Sometimes I can add color. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to do your eyeshadow, but it just works for me. Okay, so now with that same shade, I'm just gonna kind of tap that on my lid. I'm not gonna go all the way out in the corner because I don't want to pack too much eyeshadow, because I am gonna put a darker color on that outer corner, but just kind of in almost the center. So I am back. I did this eye really quick. I actually had to go charge my camera battery because it freaking died on me. I don't know if it recorded some of this, but I'm gonna go over the shades that I used where I applied them. So I put this shade in my crease, then I put this shade in my crease as well, and I also put it a little bit onto my lid, probably about halfway. And then I put this darker shade on the outer corners, and I put this shade right here on my lid. So I'm about to do that right now. I didn't get to do that part, but I did the rest of it. So I have nails, so it's a little harder to apply on my with my finger. It's better. It definitely is more pigmented when you apply it with your finger. Oh my god, I totally forgot to mention that I put this shade right here underneath my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that under there before I do anything. Gorgeous. Pink and red. Love pinks, but love reds. So I'm gonna put that on. And I am gonna go apply some false lashes on this eye, and I'll be right back. So I am done with both eyes. I'm gonna put on some highlighter. I'm gonna be using this Milk Makeup, I don't know, it's a glow stick or something, glow stick. A highlight stick. I'm not really sure. There was a sticker on here and it might have explained like what shade it is and what it is, but honestly, no. There's nothing on here that says anything about it. But it is like a rose gold kind of pinkish. It's this one, and it's really cute. I'm gonna apply that to my cheekbones first. I like to apply it here first, just so it doesn't dry down so quick. But I'm gonna take a little foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. And it's such a nice glow. I love it so much. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply some lip products. Oh, I need some speech therapy. I'm gonna be applying this NARS Night Together lip shit. I don't know. And I'm just kind of adding this to my lips just for a little bit of color. Just kind of like adding it to the center. And I'm gonna blend it out. And I'm also gonna put on this Fenty lip gloss. Alright guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.